Okay, so here we're going to demonstrate how to get Citrix to install applications as if they were installed locally on the computer. We're going to get SPSS on the start menu and launch it remotely. So this assumes that we've installed the root certificates and we are on EdLAN, EdUroam or connected via the VPN. So you can see the start menu just now, there's no SPSS. So we're going to configure Citrix for the first time. Double click the icon. Standard error. Name can be anything, description can be anything, and the URL is just the same as if you were launching it from the web. So that's that added. Okay. Launch, login. Add applications, and at the minute we can see SPSS is not available on this computer. So we do add app, SPSS, and we can see SPSS now looks like it's installed in this computer. So if we close the receiver and just go to the start menu, select SPSS, yep, we know. And that's SPSS launched as if it was installed locally on the computer, but it's actually running remotely. There's no need to go to the Citrix website or launch the receiver, just simply go to the start menu, start application as if it was installed on the computer. Okay, done.